Porang, Pak. Porang is a food crop that can be cultivated on marginal land. It's used for alternative food because of the high content of glucomannan. This plant can be propagated by pebbles, tuber, over leaf cutting, but seed common use as propagation material. I just put there 2 days ago, and now it's already grown. And also those three, but I have no idea what those are. Porang is one plant species to be developed as food resources. It can be used as alternative food resource because its content of glucomannan, which can reach as high as 35 until 55% and even 67%. Glucomannan is a carbohydrate that can be used as cosmetic, thickening, gelling again, bioactive polymer, and drugs. There are big demand for porang, particularly from countries such as Japan, Korea, China, Australia, Malaysia, and England. The media treatment to grow koran consists of 3 growing media such as sand, cocoa peat, and rice husk charcoal. In the past, porang many were neglected as a wild animal in the yard, but now is cultivated by farmers in a number of areas. In the export market, this porang tuber, which is processed into flour, is in great demand. Tuber plant with the Latin name Amorphophallus muelleri. In some areas in Java, this plant is known as iles-iles. Porang is usually used by processing into a flour, which is used for industrial material, for cosmetic, thickener, glue, ramen noodle, and food mixture. Porang is one of the material for making shirataki.
Iku kembang iku. Coba tanduran semua kembang. Lagi membuka bibit. Di kenane.
Aku cek mana?
Wes dalehno kono sanding kono. Kono dalehno kono.
Kono.
Pisahno kono lho. Ojo, sing kono sing ketok pisah. Iya.
Ini ngendok Pak iki, Pak. Mulai larang.
Ini banyak banget bunganya ibu, cuman waktu sakit